Hello everyone, I am Yashika Goyal, a student at PIBM. My journey at PIBM started in May 2023. I always wanted to pursue an MBA from a top B school. So right after completing my graduation in BBA, I started my search for the right institute. During this phase, I came across PIBM, an institute known for its industrial-based approach, and my cousin's placement at Federal Bank further reinforced my decision towards the institute. Encouraged by my parents who always believed in me, I took admission at PIBM. In the beginning, I often felt overwhelmed seeing students with years of work experience, impressive presentation skills and immense confidence. It made me doubt myself, how would I survive in such a challenging environment? I still remember my first presentation, where I couldn't stop shivering. The idea of presenting in front of 50 students was just terrifying for me. I have never done it before and struggled with stage fear. But with continuous practice and support of my communication faculty, I gradually gained confidence and fluency. On the other hand, aptitude was my strongest area, and PIBM's regular sessions helped me strengthen my speed and efficiency. Knowing it was the first hurdle in any placement process, and I often heard that Federal Bank had one of the toughest tests, so I made it a habit of practicing daily to strengthen my preparations. Apart from academics, corporate sessions at PIBM were incredibly insightful. Industry leaders across various sectors used to share their valuable experiences, giving us corporate exposure. Additionally, industrial visits to companies like Mercedes-Benz, Bisleri, Decathlon and Tata Motors gave us hands-on experience in brand building and marketing strategies across various industries. After the completion of my summer internship, the final placement season began. Despite various reputed companies visiting our campus, I had only one goal in mind, Federal Bank, and I was determined to wait. After 3 months, finally the moment arrived. Federal Bank came to campus. The excitement and anxiety were at their peak. I practiced aptitude daily, attended GD sessions and mock interviews, and prepared relentlessly for every step of the selection process. I still remember the evening of December 10th when the results were announced. My hands were shaking as I opened the Federal Bank's app to check the results. And there it was. Congratulations Yashika Goyal, you have got the job offer. It was the best moment of my life. The first thing I did was call my parents. Their joy and pride were beyond words. That was the day I truly overcame all of my self-doubts. This achievement couldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of my friends, family and faculties at PIBM who always believed in me.